Sobrang sarap.
Come to Papa!
How's the taste? Hey guys, it's me, Kuya Milton. Kamusta sa lahat? Usually my recipes take a little longer and they're a little more complex. But today, I'm tired and I want to eat something fast. Today, we're making the best air fryer salmon in the world. And this recipe is gonna take 20 minutes or less. But before we begin, if you could please hit that like and subscribe button, it would really help me out. Anyway, let's get started. So we got our salmon right here, beautiful fish. And if you got fresh fish, better, but you can even use the frozen packets that you get at the store. And like I said, I'm tired, I don't want to do a lot of cleanup. Today we're gonna be cooking in aluminum foil. So the best part of this recipe is there's no real recipe, it's more of a technique. It's how you cook it, and we'll get to that later. But the first thing we're gonna do is add some olive oil. Make sure it gets everywhere. This is gonna give it a nice flavor and also prevent it from sticking to the foil. Now we're gonna add one of my favorite ingredients, Mrs. Dash. If you don't have Mrs. Dash, here's the ingredients. Next is paprika. It's gonna make the fish extra delicious, gonna give it a nice color. Pepper. Salt. And then garlic powder. So look at that. We really seasoned it really heavily so that we can have the maximum amount of flavor. So we've already added garlic powder, but I really love garlic. So we're just gonna add a little more. Make sure to slice really thinly. And we're gonna add them to the top of our salmon. And that's it. This is ready to cook. All we gotta do is wrap it. Now we're just gonna put it straight in. So this is the secret. You don't have to preheat. We're just putting it in right away. We're gonna put it to exactly 400 degrees and the time is 12 minutes. So let's hit start.
Eventually.
Okay guys, so it's done. Let's check it out. Still hot, so we're just gonna put this to the side. While we wait for that to cool down, we're just gonna make a really easy sauce. Some butter and some fresh lemon. And then just microwave this when you're ready to eat. So the best side dish for fish is rice. Okay guys, let's check out how it looks. Let's see how we did. Oh yeah, wow, you can really smell that garlic.
Wow!
Yeah, let's add our butter sauce. Oh yeah, look at that.
Oh my God!
And there you have it, the ultimate super fast, super easy air fryer salmon. Wow, if you can just smell the room, buttery, garlicky, I cannot wait to try this. It looks so good, but it doesn't really matter how's it look, right? What matters is, how's the taste? All right, let's see the middle. Oh wow, did you see how flaky that is? Wow, you know it's cooked so perfect. Nice butter sauce, lemony.
Yes!
Wow. That's good. Wow, that is the perfect time to cook the fish. So juicy, so tender, perfect. Let me have it with some of that rice. Amazing, so good. Sobrang sarap. Okay guys, that's it for this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below for whatever recipe you'd like to see me do next. Like I said, I'm really hungry. I cannot wait to finish eating this. It is so good. Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!